Hello, everyone, and welcome to module number 2. You do not have access to this yet. If you're watching this video, you're here. So it's going to be the same format. This particular one is going to cover blood. This is cardiovascular system blood, because all of that's kind of all entwined. The blood, the heart structures, all that. Cardiovascular, as far as heart goes, is the next module. Now, to say this, and I've sent an announcement about this, from now on, there are 9 lessons here. Short quizzes at the end of each, 5 questions. Now, from now on, for the rest of the semester, these lesson quizzes are set to count your highest grade. No more averaging. That was a little bit of a cluster bleep. And basically, you should be able to take them once. You do have 2 opportunities if you want to do that. You can take them twice. It's going to keep your highest grade. The study hall part, and let me just make sure we're on the right thing. We are. So here is this is over blood or hematology, if you will. Here's a link to OpenStax. Here is the blood outline. And here's a PowerPoint. These outlines, and you can use whatever reference you want, but these have really good pictures, blown up pretty big. You can see them here, and they have some really good breakdowns for everything. So, oops, I didn't mean to exit out of that. I should have done the X in the corner. But here are some good videos. These crash courses are really good. See all these down here. Excuse me. I got the Rona. That's it. I knew it. I'm checking out. Anyway, this is a good reference for you. So, and it's called Study Hall. So it's just something for you to use to prepare. Now, the lab for this particular section is only over blood. I was going to put a video here, but I'm just going to cover it right now. So this is also covering blood, a little bit of an introduction here. Now, what are you going to do to prepare for your lab exam? Here's an outline. Here's a PowerPoint. You're going to want to look at these, of course. Let this load. And of course, you can download these, click on 3 little dots. Same with any of the Padlet documents. But here is the outline. You're going to want to go through that. These videos, there's 3 of them. Okay, they cover this outline, this PowerPoint, and what is on this, also this Padlet for blood. Now, this has some really good pictures. See, that's a great lymphocyte. We do the X. As it says here, here's a monocyte. So you want to watch the videos, and that's how you're going to prepare for the lab exam. It's only going to be over blood, and you will have to do some blood typing exercises. Excuse me. The videos will cover that. I've already coughed and hacked. I'm not starting this video over. So down here, there is a research assignment associated with this particular section. Here are the questions. Here's the answer sheet. Let me just make sure it can. Okay, there's that. And then here are the questions, and they are related to blood. I think you'll find them interesting. Like it says here, do not plagiarize, do not copy and paste. Safe Assign checks all the data banks for the internet. You can't do that anyway. That's plagiarism. But you can make yourself a document as notes, but then write everything in your own words. Okay, I mean, it's called paraphrasing. It's not easy to do, but you're not being checked for your grammar or anything. I mean, you want to make everything legible and intelligent, but that's how you're going to, anyway, always do those assignments this way. When you go to submit them, it has to be a PDF or Word document. That's the only thing that Blackboard will accept. If you're using another format, and I can't click on this because I'm not in the student view, but you can click on this box. Well, you're going to click on the box to turn either one of these in, but you can click here and you can copy and paste into that box your assignment if you wish. You can do it that way too. This is the lesson, which is over blood. Remember, You can redo each question, and you can redo the entire lesson if you wish. These lessons, the last few questions are comprehensive, but remember, even gives you a little message here. You got to click finish at the end. Now you can type your name into this, and each of these come with a certificate. They're kind of cool looking if you want to do that. It's also proof that you did it. Oops. And but you have to click finish. Here's the lab exam, which is going to be fill in the blank, maybe a few multiple choice. And then here's the lecture exam. Same format. In fact, this format right here will be the same for every module. It's not necessarily going to be the same type assignment, but the lessons and the lab exams and everything, same format. So my advice to do is do this. Well, of course, do all these lessons with the quizzes. It's going to count your highest grade now. Do the lesson assignment here. Do the research assignment first. Do your lab exam and then take this one last. That's probably the best way for success. If you want to do it another way, obviously you can. But all right, so that's module 2. That's everything we're doing. Good luck. Have some fun, and email me if you have any questions.